Introducing the 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.